Hello everyone and welcome back to eStamps. Today I'm going to be showing you my stamp collection. Now I did this video about 4 months ago, but a lot has changed in my stamp collection in those 4 months, so I'm going to do it again. So the first thing that's changed is I've got a new album. I prefer this album because it's easier to organise the stamps and label them instead of just putting them in and forgetting what they are. So on the first page I have my 1840 penny black and twopenny blue. On this page I've got my 1841 penny reds with a few different cancels, including a nice mint example and one on the cover. On the next page I've got my 1841 twopenny blues. Again I've got one on the cover and a few different cancellations. A nice pair there. I've got a few penny stars on this page. As you can see, they have stars in the top corners instead of letters. I've got a few more on this page. So I've got a few penny red plates. I recently bought a small collection of these. This was one of the reasons that I decided to change album, because it means that I can easily label the penny reds. Got a few mint ones there, because in my old album I couldn't label the plates. And on to twopenny blue plates, I've got almost all of them except for 7 and 8, which I'll get soon. And I've got a nice mint one here as well. Halfpenny bantams, I haven't got that many more since last time I did a stamp collection video, except I have got this nice pair on a cover now. 1.5 penny shields, I've got both plates now, and I've also got a mint plate 3. In terms of surface printed stamps, my earlier surface printed, I haven't got that many more stamps since the last video. But I've got a few more slightly later ones, including a mint 1 shilling green, not in the best condition, but a valuable stamp. And I've got these ones as well. And I've got a few of the provisional set as well. I've got a few more I need to get. Penny lilacs, I have some 14 dot and 16 dot, both mint and used. I've got a nice specimen overprint on a 14 dot there, and a nice CDS used on piece. And I've got a few high values, a couple of shades of 2 and 6, and a nice 5 shilling. Lilac and green set, I've got the full set of lilacs, but I need to get the greens. Sadly, the greens are a lot more expensive than the lilacs, and it'll probably be quite a while until I get them. Jubilees, I have the full set used, and I'm trying to get the mint set as well. And I have won a mint 9p at an auction, so when that arrives I'll unbox it on video. Edward VII, the first thing I've got is this lovely mint block of 12 halfpennies. And as with the Jubilees, I've got the full used set, and I'm also trying to get it mint. And on to George V, I've got a few downy heads. This is another advantage of the new album, because I can label which ones these are, because to be honest they all look exactly the same. I've got a Royal Cipher watermark set. I have some 1918 Bradbury Wilkinson seahorses. I still need to get the 10 shilling. I've got the watermark block cipher set, and I need to get a mint set of those as well. And I've just got a few other little bits and bobs here. I've got some Wembleys here, 1924 and 1925, and I've got the PUC set. And I have the Photographer set, mint and used. Onto re-engraved seahorses, I have the set of 3 used, and I also have a lovely 2 and 6 reddish brown shade, unmounted mint. And I have the Jubilee set as well. And I have a few covers with them on, including an interesting late use in 1961. I have another one here. And I also have the Edward VIII set. Onto George VI, I have the coronation stamp, and I have the dark colour set used, and I've got most of it mint, I just need to get a few more. And I have the high value set, including a 10 shilling ultramarine in a block of 4. I've got a penny black centenary set, including a bisect on a piece. And I have the light colour set, used and mint, and also I've got a cylinder block of the 1 penny. And I also have the 1946 Victory set in blocks of 4 and the Silver Wedding set in pairs. And I've got the 1948 Olympics, Channel Islands Liberation, Universal Postal Union, and I've got the mint and used colour change set. And I have the Festival High Value set and also the Festival Low Value set. Onto Elizabeth II, I have the first Wilding set, the 1952 with the Tudor watermark. I also have a 1953 Coronation First Day cover with blocks of 4. And I've got the 1955 Waterloo Castle set, including a nice mint block of 4. And I've got the Delarue set, 10 shillings as well. And after that it's mostly commemorative, so I'll just flick through those. Another Wilding set. A few more castles. Pre-decimal matrons, a few more castles, high value matrons, and the decimal high value matrons. And right at the back I've just got a few other things. I've got a block of postage dues, a few Wildings on a postcard, and a fiscal. If you want to see more of my stamps as I'm getting them, I suggest following me on Snups. I'll leave a link in the description. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll be back to my normal content next week. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.